This is the College Park U of MD Metro Station, located in College Park, Maryland, a 15-minute walk from the University of Maryland and 4 miles from Washington, D.C. Located immediately around the metro station is a parking garage, bus circle, some industrial commercial buildings, the FDA building, parking lots, and single-family residential units. As you can see, the only people walking around the College Park metro station are either going to the metro or leaving the metro. This place is not a destination, but it could be. There are many ways that the City of College Park could begin to develop the area around the station that could promote environmental, social, and economic sustainability, such as the adjacent parking lot that is typically mostly empty and the vacant lot across the street could become a mixed-use center for housing and commercial activity. Narrow sidewalks could be expanded and bike lanes added, slowing down the high-speed traffic to a safer rate, connecting with the close-by, well-loved Paint Branch Trail. To start off with, I would like to focus on this unused, fenced-in area where the buses circle around. The buses never go in, and it is not used. I believe it would go a long way to turn this small concrete island into a tiny but beautiful park that commuters, students, and families could spend their time in while waiting for buses or before going into D.C. Clearing out the concrete, planting trees, and adding benches would beautify the College Park metro station and begin to make it a place that its frequenters care about and want to be in. When citizens value the metro station more, they will be more inclined to support the city developing the other areas around the station, such as the unused parking lots, but in a more dramatic way. These developments will not only be green and good for the economy, but they will bring together the community and put College Park on the map.